Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to talk about reservation policy of University of Delhi. University of Delhi offers reservation to the applicants belonging to scheduled caste category, scheduled tribe category, other backward classes, non-creamy layer notified in the central list, economically weaker section. Out of the total seats, 15% seats are reserved for SC category, 7.5% seats are reserved for ST category, 27% seats are reserved for OBC category, and 10% seats are reserved for economically backward section. Please note that no applicant can be excluded from the UR category just because the applicant belongs to or has applied under SC, ST, OBC or EWS category. In other words, the merit list or the cutoff list will also include SC, ST, OBC and EWS applicants irrespective of their category if they meet the criteria of merit for UR category. Now, what are the documents which are required by them to claim reservation? There is only one document which is required by them, and that is a certificate issued by the competent authority. In case of SC, ST, OBC and EWS category, the certificate has to be issued in the name of applicant. There are a number of people who are authorized to issue these certificates. You can pause this video and read the details later. The applicants must note that the SC or ST certificate from any other person or authority shall not be accepted in any case. If the applicant belongs to SC or ST category, applicant's caste or tribe must be listed in the appropriate Government of India schedule. The caste or tribe certificates should clearly state the following: name of the caste or tribe, whether the applicant belongs to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe, the district and the state or union territory of applicant's usual place of residence, the appropriate Government of India schedule under which caste or tribe is approved as SC or ST. If the applicant does not have their SC or ST certificate at the time of registration, they may upload the acknowledgement slip of the certificate application. However, at the time of admission, the applicant will have to produce the original SC or ST certificate. For applicants from other backward classes, the reservation is applicable to non-creamy layer only. And what is a non-creamy layer? If the total family income is less than 8 lakh per annum, then the family is considered to be in non-creamy layer. The certificate must mention non-creamy layer status of the applicant. As University of Delhi is a central university, so it will acknowledge the OBC list notified by the center or the central list of OBC. Now, how do you know whether your caste or community is notified in the central list? Just type NCBC. So there will be many search results, but this is ncbc.nic.in. So we understand that this is the official website of Government of India. So here, this is National Commission for Backward Classes. You go on the left side, you will be able to see central list of OBCs. Click on this. You will be able to see names of all the states, and here wherever you belong to, and just check. For example, Chandigarh. Click on this Chandigarh and you will be able to see all the caste or community which fall under OBC category in this particular union territory. Okay, you can just go back from here and we can just check one more, let's say Goa. So here you can see that certain entries at serial number 1 and 2 have been deleted. So please note that there would be modifications in this list leading to either additions or deletions. So we need to follow the updated list. The validity of the non-creamy layer certificate shall be for the financial year 2019-20. That means the certificate should have been issued after 31st March 2020. Now those applicants who do not have the recent certificate in their possession, they can either go to the same office from where their certificate was issued and get it renewed, or they can apply for it online. Online application facility is now available on eDistrict portal. So just go to Google and type eDistrict and name of the state where you are from. I am doing it for Delhi. Just click it. You will be able to see a page edistrict.delhigovernment.nic.in. So this is the official page which has been made by Government of Delhi. So the first thing which you have to do here is go to new user and make your user ID. Once you have made your user ID, you again go back to home page and then go to registered user login, login using the credentials which you have just generated. Then in the services we can see that at number 8, issuance of caste OBC certificate. In fact, applicants belonging to SC or ST category, they can also apply it online, and we can see the prescribed time limit that within 14 days your certificate will be generated. So just apply it online, and in the meantime you can upload the acknowledgement slip which you will be getting from this particular website. If the applicant does not have the OBC non-creamy layer certificate of the latest financial year 2019-20 at the time of registration, the applicant may upload the previously issued OBC non-creamy layer certificate or the acknowledgement slip of OBC non-creamy layer certificate application. However, at the time of admission, the applicant must produce the recent financial year's OBC non-creamy layer certificate issued by the same competent authority. For applicants belonging to economically weaker section, the validity of the certificate shall be for the financial year 2019-20. That means the certificate should have been issued after 31st March 2020. Those applicants who do not have the certificate in their possession, they can go to the same office and get it renewed, or they can apply for it online. In case you are not being able to apply for an EWS certificate online, you can apply for income certificate for the financial year 2019-20 from the same portal. At serial number 14, you can see that issuance of income certificate will be done through online portal, and the prescribed time limit for issuance is again 14 days. So you can upload the acknowledgement slip of this certificate till you get the certificate.